This podcast is sponsored by PottyHost.com. Effortlessly create and share AI-driven podcasts and blogs to boost your brand's visibility across major platforms like YouTube and Spotify. Visit PottyHost.com today. That's PODDY host.
AI. Podcasting litigation risks business owners should know. Discover the hidden legal risks of AI podcasting and how marketers can protect their brand while leveraging AI content creation effectively. Why AI? Podcasting litigation risks should matter to your business. Hey, so I've got to tell you about something that's been buzzing around my head lately, especially since I've been working with podcasting platforms and blogging platforms for a while now. You've probably heard about how AI tools are totally changing the game when it comes to content creation, right? And if you've been thinking about jumping on the AI podcasting or AI blogging bandwagon to boost your marketing efforts, that's smart. But here's the kicker. There's a bit of a legal minefield underneath all that shiny innovation. Picture this. You're using AI for your podcast scripts or your blog creation, leveraging lightning-fast AI content creation tools to crank out some amazing stuff. Sounds like a dream, honestly. But what happens when you accidentally or unknowingly use AI-generated content that infringes on someone else's copyright or intellectual property? That's where the litigation risks come in. And trust me, they're real. What's going on with AI? Podcasting litigation. AI has been trained on a ton of data, including copyrighted works, which means sometimes the output can be a little too close to an original creator's content. That's perfect fodder for lawsuits, which have been cropping up more and more. The tricky part is that the law hasn't caught up entirely with AI tech, so we're in this weird gray zone where you don't always know what counts as fair use or original content. For example, if you use AI tools to create a podcast episode or blog post that resembles copyrighted scripts or written works, you or your business might be at risk if those original creators decide to take legal action. If the AI content sounds too similar or uses protected trademarked language, that's potential trouble. Why should business owners and marketers care? Reputation at risk. Getting sued or even publicly called out for copyright infringement can seriously hurt your brand image and trust with your audience. Financial consequences. Litigation isn't cheap. Legal fees and possible settlement costs can eat into your marketing budget quickly. Platform policies. Podcasting platforms and blogging platforms are tightening their rules around AI-generated content. Getting flagged or banned because your AI-generated material has legal issues isn't worth the risk. So yeah, this isn't something to brush off just because AI is the new cool thing. As marketers, especially if you're using AI for podcasting or blog creation, you've got to be proactive about how you use it. How can you protect your business? Understand chill AI content sourcing. Get familiar with where your AI tools pull their data from. Some better platforms are more transparent and strive for ethical data use. Always review AI output. Don't just hit publish or record after AI generates content. Edit and verify originality. Use plagiarism checkers tailored for AI content. Use trusted platforms. Consider podcasting platforms and blogging platforms that integrate AI responsibly with built-in checks for content risks. Consult legal help. If you're planning to heavily use AI podcasting or AI blogging for business, it's smart to chat with an attorney who understands IP law and digital content. Luckily, there are tools out there making this easier, and one that I've been really impressed with is PottyHost.com. Your own blog and podcast, no work involved. They offer a straightforward way for business owners and marketers like us to create blogs and podcasts with minimal hassle, and they keep legal stuff in mind so you don't have to constantly worry. Bottom line, AI is a game changer for blog creation, podcasting, and essentially all avenues of content marketing, but it's got a few sharp edges. Litigation risks in AI podcasting aren't a far-off problem. They're happening now, and business owners need to stay sharp. Protect your brand, review your AI-generated content, and partner with safe, reputable platforms that know the legal ropes. That way, you get to enjoy AI's creativity boost without becoming the next headline for legal drama. Want to get started with zero hassle and confidence in your content? Get your copy of PottyHost.com's tools today and let your blog and podcast shine legally and effortlessly.